Good morning, Tasa. Today, Miss, we are doing the booklet exercises on pages 6 and 7, and they are going to be about the vocabulary and the reading. Now, let's start with page 6. We have the table or the vocabulary table. Let's read the words we have there. Now read the following vocabulary and fill in the blanks with the suitable words. Now we have the word scribe أو اللي هي حكينا معناها ناسخين. So the singular noun of scribe means a person who used to make written copies of official documents in the past. فهو شخص بيكون بنسخ المسؤول عن نسخ الوثائق الرسمية في الماضي. The temple أو المعبد is a place of worship in ancient Egypt, and we said worship اللي هي معناها العبادة. We have the word script اللي هي معناها something that is written or the written text اللي هي النص. We have figure, which means a drawing that represents something or someone اللي هي الأشكال. We have the word develop, which is a verb, and here it means invent. مرت معي بالنص إنه they developed the language. حكينا معناها إنهم هم اخترعوا هاي اللغة. We have the word useful اللي كلياتنا بنعرفها, which means that it is able to be easily used. We have the word work out, which is a phrasal verb, فعل مركب, and it means understand, يفهم. And we have combination, which means the act of being joined in one unit, or we can say that it means mix اللي هو الخليط أو مجموعة من الأشياء في وحدة واحدة. Let's go to the exercise on the vocabulary. نفس الكلمات اللي قرأناها تاسع بدنا نملأها بالفراغات. Let's start with number 1. He was so scared when he imagined in his dark room. Now he was scared because he imagined a figure in the dark room or in his dark room. Number 2, it was a difficult sum but we tried hard to. Now we want to say that it is difficult. هو عملية الجمع أو عملية الحسابية كانت صعبة, but we tried to understand it. So it was difficult and it was very hard to work it out. اللي هي معناها understand. Number 3, they are people or are where people used to pray in ancient Egypt. مكان الصلاة أو العبادة في مصر القديمة. They were called the temples أو المعابد. Number 4, his personality has a strange, he's sometimes shy and sometimes bold. الآن في عندي هنا he is sometimes shy أحيانا خجول, and he is sometimes bold بمعنى شجاع أو جريء. So his personality has a strange combination, فيها خليط غريب. Number 5, were an important part of ancient communities before inventing machines and the spread of technology. وممكن هنا تاسع لحتى أخلي المواضيع عليك أسهل نضيف هنا before inventing the copying machines. مين هم اللي كانوا جزء مهم من المجتمع قبل ما نخترع الآلات النسخ؟ They were the scribes. لأنهم كانوا they were in charge of copying the official documents. And we have number 6, actors must have a good ability to memorize للحفظ there that they want to act, and here we will say to memorize their scripts نصوصهم that they want to act اللي رح يمثلوها. Let's go now to page 7, in which we have exercises on the reading text. After reading the text, how the Egyptians wrote, page 42, answer the following questions. Number 1, what was the role of the scribes in ancient Egypt? حكيناها من شوي تاسع إنه their role was to copy the official documents, وبرضه ممكن نحكي to decorate the temples. الآن decorating the temples كان عندي هنا المهمة اللي كانت موجودة بالنص, وفي عندي اللي هي to copy the written documents كانت المهمة اللي موجودة بالvocabulary table. Number 2, what did the Egyptians write on? We said that they wrote on the papyrus, the wood, and the rock walls. Number three, what did the hieroglyphic writing consist of? Consist of يعني تتكون من. حكينا العناصر الأساسية للهيروغليفيك اللي هي الفكرة الأساسية منها إنه it consists of the figures and the symbols. رموز وصور, and these figures and symbols they represent objects. بيكونوا بيمثلوا أشياء معينة. Okay, number four. What was the main difference between the Egyptian and the Sumerian writing? Now we said that at the same time the Egyptian and the Sumerian they were developing the writing, but the difference is that the Sumerian wrote on the clay, but the Egyptians didn't write on clay, they wrote on the papyrus, the wood, and the rock walls. Number five, why did people start using the hieratic writing instead of the hieroglyphics? حكينا انه they started writing with the hieroglyphics لكن بعد هيك they went to the hieratic writing. Now the reason is that because it was simpler, and here we are talking about the hieratic, it was simpler, كانت أبسط, and it was more useful in the common activities and daily business. اكتشفوا بأنها هي مفيدة أكثر بالنشاطات اليومية. And we have a question number 6, the last one. What is the part of a speech of the following words? We have the word system. Now system لما نحكي نظام, so it is a noun. Today حكينا any word that indicates time or place, it is an adverb. We have soft لما نوصف it is a soft clay, then it is an adjective because we use it to describe the clay. And the clay is the thing that we describe, so it is the noun. And by that, miss, we have reached the end of our class today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.